When I first got this package, I was completely stunned. Just how small is this packaging? My hand won't give you a good idea. Let me grab an iPhone 17 Pro Max for comparison. The package and the phone on its surface and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, they look identical, right? And in the top left corner, it even has a Supreme Edition logo printed. What's even more interesting, the back panel is printed in 3 colors, including the black that Apple never released. They made it for you. But what's even more interesting, come everyone, look at the label here. Its name is All Network A17 Mini Supreme Edition, promotional name. Below that, it also prints the product name TD-LTE Wireless Data Terminal. What's the meaning of this? Just tell me, it's a 4G phone. Well, there's no quick release opening here, so we'll just use this high-end can opener to unbox it for you. Swish! The box opens. No resistance at all. It's so light. Brothers, air isn't what you call light. The 17 mini is truly light.
Here, let's peel the film. 3, 2, 1, peel sound. Turn it to the back of the body. Honestly, it really does look like it. It's a plastic encased metal design. And on the plastic, there's also some patchwork. You've got some ideas, don't even try to deny it. Oh, look here, the camera button, and there's even a shortcut key. Now, guess how many cameras are on the back? It appears to be 3 on the top, but we can take a closer look in a moment. Holy cow, the charging port is Type-C. Type-C, everyone, not micro USB.
I didn't expect that. Wait, let's check the box's accessories. First, if I'm not wrong, this must be a screen protector. You get a screen protector with the phone. Apple can't do that, so don't even dream of it. And then, it also comes with a clear protective case. No doubt. If this phone doesn't come with a case, I'm sure you won't find third-party ones online. But it's still better than Apple not including one, right? Then, let's take another look. It also comes with a lanyard. And here's a very old charging brick, an A-port one. Let's check the charging power. It reaches an astonishing 10 watts, which is basically a slow charge. And there's a data cable. Never mind, it's not important. Accessories aren't important, at least they're giving them, right? Take it away. Next, let's put this iPhone 17 mini and iPhone 17 Pro Max together. At this point, I just want to say, what was that? Father's father. Just kidding around. Let's power it on. Long press this power button here. Does it have Dynamic Island? I'm really curious about that. It's unlocked for all networks. Look, it directly displays the brand name on startup. Below, there's a pretty decent chin, I suppose. For a $399 phone, I'll just pretend it has no chin, right? After all, the price is what it is. Above, there's a centered punch hole camera. I'd blindly guess it's an LCD screen. No need to guess, it is an LCD screen, and its brightness is actually quite high. After powering on, it goes directly into the system interface. Everyone, take a look at this wallpaper. It's extremely similar to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And these icons are also very much like iOS. But, this is an Android phone. If you go into the system settings interface, you'll see it's native Android. However, hey, your familiar Dynamic Island, it's been simulated for you through the UI. The system version, by the way, is Android 13, and the model of this phone is an A17 mini with an MTK CPU, 785. But what's the most important thing? The main thing is, it comes with an 8+256 configuration. Didn't everyone say that memory prices have gone up recently? So tell me, don't you think I got a really good deal on this? The interesting stuff is coming up. First, remember what I just said about no camera button? Watch closely now. When I press it, that's right, it really has no camera button. But this photo here, it's a single shot. The other ones, the rest of them are all fake. And then when you press the button down, it will take a photo that has absolutely nothing to do with the actual colors. Pause. And this shortcut key over here is also quite interesting. Now we long press it. See that? It switched to ring mode. Long press it again, and look, it has entered silent mode. Let me show you a few more interesting things. This phone comes with very few pre-installed apps. These 3 Antutu apps were downloaded by me, but all the others are what came with the device. I think these pre-installed ones really don't need to be uninstalled. You can just use them directly, right? And then we'll open up a music app and play a song for you all.
With you, I'll tightly hold your hand once more.
How interesting is this phone, really? Just like the iPhone Air, it only has a single earpiece speaker. Can you really put up with that? And there's something else that's really fun. Look, there's a translator built right in. If you click on it, it actually has AI. Let's begin our question and answer session. Do you happen to know about the A17 mini phone?
Yes, I know the A17 Mini. It's a smartphone that was launched by Apple, equipped with the A17 chip, providing truly outstanding performance and a comprehensive set of features. It has a...
It's just going wild. Purely going wild. Finally, we get to the exciting benchmark segment. I've already run it, so I'll just show you the score now. This score is very high. It's better than 99% of users. You can see that this Antutu startup has taken a very long time. I didn't fast forward or anything, no. It just, scored 200,520 points, 520. A very auspicious number, but this benchmark took a whole hour to run. So this guy mentioned the configuration is 8+256, but the phone's smoothness, besides it being smooth, returning to the home screen, I'll open TikTok, you guys take a look, and it's even the light version. With this kind of smoothness, what can I say? Bro, just launch already, I'm speechless.
Then my father's daughter took leave to go see. Wait! Well, how should I put it? $3.99 just for the appearance.